kamu dia si pun absa abay. Saban po ikin sabat. Long da kia sodo kata-kata, lihat ni kasurak, rahasia. Lani ay state holiday lah biang. Ini song dia hiya. Nai pun kurna baik. Kamdi ka ba kaya ngihir ba HP kam HP ay. Kalau kata ka VIP culture mo kalau ay hadukat do. Beli kilong illiterate hadukan ni kaniki dan haka bor kita nak an tambah kilong illiterate sebab palat. Ha? Kapor kimia dan KK kimia dan. Kia suya bat sabit penap sabit mai dep sto. Pat bat mai dep sto. Ya yu. Madia. Madia milera ka kam jungi mdera. Tangga kam ni sia ka mabiang. Kam jungi tim milera.
Pwede ba kami ito pito ka yon kini ang balaka penla. Pemina mo ndu pisan konon ang ban
Kami rasa.
Atau kini ba di ka jing fele jong ka desi mesin laling sarkar manong magkamay.
Kani ka jing filia kani ka jing filia jong sistem ka jing filia jong kinong penya jong ka bor jong ka an. And plus kataru kani kalalong kumbali don bor. Kila ayu lang kumba misuse ka pawa. Abli kilong liat don bor siya kipen selang ingi pat ba kum dia. Dalor linti singkin ru baret. Bat menta tang na kada ta VIP mut suya yang saang ni. Nadu menyang akan mau ni. Poy ni lah spau tam. Hadu mentang idang yang saang ni. Perhati. Mentala kan no. Mentala pas posting oi. Spau sau ko menta. Tompi. Kani te siya kalong klik ha.
5 minutes mentala ada sama 5 minutes.
Di up 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Easily they can fly, okay? Our public is not going to throw one stone also to Amit Shah. Why he is afraid of so much? And why he is blocking road? If we are not going to pay 1 day, late fee is there for GST. And now he is blocking half an hour in this road. Who will pay that half an hour payment? Each and every minute is there is money. They think they need only money. We are like puppet.
Don't you see like the government or the situation reveal because they don't give the notification also.
There was no notification publicly. I didn't receive any notification. Otherwise, I could have stayed at home only.
So what do you have to say about this?
Better to vote for change. Vote for change.